Alright, so what are comments in Java? Comments are lines of code that are not read by the compiler. They are ignored. And you have to declare a comment. And there's three different types of comments in Java. So the first one, what we're going to do is we're going to kind of organize our code. So we're going to say these are our instance variables. These is our first constructor. This is our overload constructor. So let's do this. So let's do our first comment above our instance variables. And to do this, we're just going to do // So we're going to say fields/instance variables. Oh my gosh. There we go. And I can add slashes out to here. And this whole line now is going to be a comment. I could do this after the private thing as well. So I do after name, I could say instance variable 1. And it's going to take the rest of the line as a comment. So everything after the // is going to be read as a comment, and it's not going to be executed when the program is run. Very, very simple. Okay, what else can we do? Let's do another one for our constructor. So we'll do another /. We'll do constructor, and then we'll do right here, we'll do our overload constructor. Now, what if we want to say the role of this constructor? Well, let's put it on multiple lines. And instead of doing // on every single line, we can do /# symbol or apostrophe. So if you hit Shift and 8, yeah, we can write on multiple lines. So it's kind of like in HTML, you have, I don't even know what they're called anymore. But you have like these like two, like you have HTML and /HTML, and you have to be in between those like brackets. It's kind of like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to have our comment in between these two lines. Or we could do, it could be in between these two, this / and the #/. So yeah, it has to be in between these two. Man, I forgot what the HTML thing was called. It's been so long since I've used HTML. Okay, so let's just write something. So the role of the overload constructor, the role of these constructors, and we do on a new line, are to make objects. As you can see here, I'm doing it on multiple lines. Even if I go on the last line, it's still going to be a comment. However, if I do it afterwards, after the comment is ended, I can write some Java. So yeah, that's something to keep in mind. Now, didn't you say, Eason, there's a third one? Yeah, so we're going to do one which are Javadoc comments, and they're used to create API documentation. I'm not actually going to show you that, but I'll write a comment to show you. So it's going to be /#, and then #/ at the end. So API comments, boom. Okay, that's crazy. Okay, let's get rid of that. I don't want it there. So yeah, that is a comment. Very, very cool. Programmers write method code to satisfy the post conditions when preconditions are met. So what does that mean exactly? And that's something else I have to teach you, is a precondition. We're going to write precondition and post conditions with comments. So when we write a method, we have a precondition, and that is a condition that must be true just prior to the execution of a section of programming code for it to work. So yeah, so if I have a method that is going to find an even number, an even positive number, then our precondition could be that the number is greater than 0 or equal to 0. And then the post condition is that the number is unchanged. So the post condition is just something that has to be true after the execution of a section. And we can write these with comments. So we can write here our precondition is that these values aren't null. That could be our precondition. And then our post condition could be these values aren't null. That could be also the post condition. We can have the same precondition, post condition. So that's something to keep in mind that you may see with comments. So yeah. Alright, so that was that. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. It's free, and it really does help me out. I have more AP Computer Science videos if you want to go check those out. They're really, really helpful and all of that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.